Hey, boys and girls, welcome to the Do Now. Number one is right here. What is the answer? What's the radius? Go. All right, let's see. So here's the equation. We know the center is at the origin, 0, 0, and radius squared equals 16 because x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And so right here, r squared at the end, like that. So it should be r squared is 16. So what number times itself is 16? That would be 4 and negative 4, because negative 4 times negative 4 is also 16. But we only deal with the positive because radius is positive distance. Positive distance. We don't have a negative distance. That doesn't make sense. So the answer is 4 for the first one, A. Cool. Next one. What is the equation of a circle with center 2, 4 and radius 5? Go. All right, let's see. Center is 2, 4 and radius is 5, so it's going to be x minus 2 squared, following along with this, looking at my notes, plus y minus 4 squared equals r squared, radius squared, not 5, but 25. So it's x minus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 25. So the answer would be H. Got it. Cool. Two more. Here we go. This one. A circle has an equation x minus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals 36. Which of the following statements is not true? So it talks about the center and the radius and a point, line, and circle. Okay. So let's just write it down. Let's figure out what the center and radius are, huh? So here's the equation for number 3. So the center is going to be 3. Negative 5 is going to be the opposite of those two. And the radius, what number squared is 36? What number times itself is 36? That would be 6. 6 times 6. Okay, let's see if we can get an answer out of that. So the x-coordinate is 3. That's right. The y-coordinate is 5. No, we got the y-coordinate as negative 5. So that's not true. Radius is 6. Cool. So B... We'll talk about D later, but D is also true, but B is obviously not true since this is negative 5. Cool, one more. All right, here we go. Little twist on this one. The center, oop, not even read it, just go. What's the answer, number 4? Oop, all right, let's try it. Here we go. Boop. The center is 6, negative 7, diameter is 22. Okay, but we know that we don't need the diameter. The diameter is not part of the standard form equation. The radius is. So if the diameter is 22, what's the radius? 11. Cool. And so x, not plus 6, I'm going to go minus 6 squared plus y, not minus 7, but minus negative 7, which is plus 7 squared. Oh, close the parentheses. Equals radius squared. This is radius squared right here, which is 11 squared, which is 121. So it's x minus 6 squared plus y plus 7 squared equals 121. So that would be I. There we go. Good work, everybody.